Wait 24 hours and this simple cucumber turns unbelievably addictive. Crunchy, spicy, tangy and naturally fermented. Today I am making a quick fermented cucumber recipe that feels light, refreshing and seriously satisfying. I started with fresh cucumbers and sliced them into thin crunchy pieces. Now I will add Himalayan salt. The measurement I am not going to give you, it will be as per the taste and depends on how much the quantity. Since this is short fermentation, you don't have to follow the normal fermentation rule like 2% or 3% salt. You can add as per the taste so that it will be not become very salty. Now I will add little chopped garlic for the garlicky flavor and also 1 chili. This is very spicy, so I will just add 1 and I will just slit and leave it like this. We'll mix it very well and then leave it in the room temperature for 1 hour. You will notice the cucumber slowly releasing some water. I will remove that extra water so the cucumber does not become soggy and everything stays crisp, crunchy and flavorful. After that, I will transfer this container into fridge for 24 hours. No cooking, no fancy ingredients, just time doing the magic. The next day, the cucumber becomes slightly tangy, juicy and beautifully crunchy. Now comes the best part, the flavor boost. Into a bowl, I added the fermented cucumber first. Then just half a spoon of jaggery for a soft natural sweetness that balances the tanginess perfectly. Next, 1 spoon of vinegar. This part is optional but it adds a bright punch of flavor. Then I sprinkled roasted sesame seeds for that warm nutty aroma. And finally, some broken roasted peanuts for extra crunch in every bite. You can also add a little oil if you like, but today I wanted to keep it fresh, light and clean. Then give everything a gentle mix. Now listen to the crunch. Simple ingredients, slow transformation and so much flavor in one bowl. Crunchy, tangy, nutty, slightly spicy. Every bite feels fresh and satisfying. Honestly, if cucumbers tasted like this every day, healthy eating would never feel boring. And that's my 24-hour fermented cucumber bowl.